In this video, I'll be showcasing this Tresanti adjustable height desk, standing desk. If interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I am going to share to you all, do a little review that I picked up this motorized height adjustable desk, also known as a standing desk, from Costco. I always wanted to get a motorized standing desk, but they usually cost pretty expensive. Like for example, in IKEA, they usually charge like $400 to $500 for a motorized standing desk, which it's way out of my budget. And when I first glanced at it, I kind of got attracted by its design because it's a really solid built standing desk, and also it's white and it has a white glass top finish, and the looks of it is pretty nice and futuristic, and it also has pretty cool features like wireless charging, USB port, adjustable timer and stuff like that. So I couldn't help myself and I picked up one from Costco to do a review and share to you all about what I think about this desk, and most importantly, will I be keeping this desk for my personal use. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I always forget, can you do me one favor? If you like this video so far, can you do me one favor and help me smash that like button? That really helps support the channel big time, and that doesn't cost you anything. Okay, this is how the desk looks like in general, and these are the dimensions of the desk. And this is how it looks like on the bottom right here. The lowest it can go is 29 inches, and the highest it can go is up to 47 inches. And as you can see, the desk is really nice and elegant, has a glass top finish. And also on the side right here, there are USB ports. There's 2 USB ports and there's a lock button. The lock button is for you to prevent accidentally touch the height settings of the desk. As you see, the desk is really nice and simple looking. And this is the drawer inside the desk. Really nice and sleek. It slides out. And the desk is using a touchscreen interface. So the lowest is 29 inches. And I'll boost it up all the way to the highest to let you see how high it will go, and also how long does it take to reach to the highest. It's 46.9 inches. And these are the timer. You can set timer for the desk, you know, to let you know when it's time to stand up. And here's are the presets. You know, you can set presets of your preference height that you like. So there are a total of 3 presets you can set right here. And now it's time for the pros and cons conclusion for this desk, and also most importantly, will I be keeping this desk for my personal use? So for the first pros of this standing desk, it's great reasonable price. And the second pros of this desk, it has solid build quality. And then the next pros for this desk, it's relatively easy to set up. And then another pros of this desk, it has flat touch buttons to adjust height and customizable height presets. Another pros for this desk, it also has a lock button for accidental height adjustment. And another thing that I like about this desk, it has a built-in wireless charging pad built inside the desk. It's really nice and elegant looking, really match the desk's futuristic design. Last pros of this desk, it has 2 decent fast USB charging ports on the side of the desk. Each port can charge up to 2.4 amps, which is pretty relatively fast for a USB charge port. Okay, now it's time for the cons of this desk, and the first cons of this desk is it's pretty heavy. This desk is like over 100 pounds. I had to lug this desk by myself from Costco, and I almost couldn't do it. You know, well, maybe I'm not too strong, but recommend at least 2-person, you know, to carry this desk because it's pretty heavy. And then the second cons of this desk, I think it has a pretty shallow drawers, so you can't really put anything that is too thick. The thickest item that I can put is like a Galaxy S21 box, which is about 2.5 inch or something like that. So if the drawers are a little bit more deeper, it's a little bit more usable. But for a desk that looks so cool, it has a drawer which I think is pretty nice. I wish it can be a little bit more deeper. Okay, another nitpick cons for this desk, if you raise it to the highest point, which is 47 inches, and if you use your hand to wiggle it, wobble it, the desk does wobble. So just keep in mind. So the final cons of this desk, it doesn't seem to have a sensor, or the sensor doesn't seem to be working when I adjust the desk to make it lower. And I put my legs purposely to try to stop the desk, and it just keeps on going down, But the good part about the desk is the minimum height is pretty high, so it's relatively hard to hurt yourself from going too low. Not like the ones that I test from like IKEA. It can go really low, as low as, like a kid's chair size, and it doesn't stop. So I wish it does have a better sensor, or some kind of sensor that will sense that, there's your legs are, about to hit or something. But like I said, luckily the desk doesn't go super low, so it shouldn't be that big of a problem. Okay, now the biggest question is, will I be keeping this desk for my personal use? And the answer is yes. After evaluating the pros and cons, the pros definitely has more than the cons. So I love the desk design, the build quality, the functionality, the features, just overall package. The pricing is very reasonable. Definitely I will be keeping this desk, because I think this desk has multiple purpose. I can use it for filming videos. I can use it for doing my work. I can also use it as a kids' desk, to let them do their homework and stuff like that. So definitely I will be keeping this desk. It's a really nice desk, and I'm really happy with my purchase. And especially purchasing from Costco, they really stand by their products that they sell. So definitely I am very confident of buying this desk, especially from Costco. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Tuning in, are you looking for a affordable, adjustable, motorized... Tuning in, are you looking for a affordable, motorized, adjustable height desk? Tuning in, are you looking for an